What is up, YouTube family? Good afternoon. Welcome back to the Alex Rowe Media channel. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day. So before I actually go on ahead and start talking about the 5 things I love about my Abarth, I'm actually going to be heading to the gym right now. Yeah, it's 1:03 in the afternoon. So I'm going to head to the gym. Shouldn't be a lot of people. And once I come out of the gym, you guys already know what's gonna happen. 5 things. So yeah, be right back, guys. So I'm back from the gym, guys. Had a nice little workout. Gets my day going. But yeah, so now let's get back to the 5 reasons, the 5 things I love about my Abarth 500. Number 1, first reason why I love this car, I'm sure you guys already know. It's hands down the exhaust on this car. The exhaust is amazing. I love it. Check it out. Oh, how much I love that sound. You have no idea. Second thing I love about this car, and on the last video, if you guys haven't watched it, go take a look. 5 things I hate about the Abarth. I had said that the steering wheel was my problem, you know, because it wasn't telescopic. It just moves up and down. But what I love about the steering wheel is the fact that it's so sporty. Take a look. So you got the nice flat bottom, you know, and it feels really good when you're driving and you keep your hands here. It feels really good. I tend to sometimes even drive holding my hand on the flat bottom here, but it feels really, really nice. Like, really nice. Then again, that's just me. Maybe some people don't like that, but that's one thing I love about my car. That's the second thing I love about my car. Third thing I love about this car has to be the seats. Even though the seats are the basic, I guess you could say the basic cloth type, they're still, I guess you could say, racing seats. You know, there's still racing seats, so, and they don't look bad. I mean, I've seen the leather ones and they look really nice as well. But I got a future mod coming up. This won't be cloth anymore, but I know a future mod is coming for the seats, for sure, for sure, for sure. Fourth thing I love about my car has to be the fact that I got this car in a manual transmission. The manual transmission was a great choice, believe it or not. I've driven automatic cars before, and it's not the same. Like, you control the car. You officially control the car having a manual transmission car. You know, you get to downshift whenever you want to downshift. You get to upshift whenever you want to upshift. In an automatic, you don't do that. Even with paddle shifters, I mean, yeah, paddle shifters, because I had the Infinity and it had the automatic manual transmission where you slide it to the left and then you could upshift or downshift. But it's not the same. Trust me, it's not the same. It gives you like that idea of what a manual transmission is, but it's not the same. So, 5th thing I love about this car, and this is probably something very minor, I guess you could say, has to be the doors, but not the inside of the door. This plastic, this cheap plastic, no. Yeah, I'm talking about the outside. Let me see if I could show you guys. So yeah, guys, this is like really cheap plastic right here. But as soon as you open this door, it feels heavy. The door closes and it feels heavy. And I actually like that, cause in my Mitsubishi, it felt like the way the door sounded when you opened it and closed it, it sounded cheap. And this sounds, once again, It sounds heavy, just like my Infinity. So I like that a lot, you know. And like I said, something minor, nothing crazy, but you know, little things like that count. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate it. If you guys haven't seen any of my last content, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Comment on anything you guys want. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I truly appreciate that. You guys have no idea. And yeah, any questions, anything, you guys let me know in the comment section below. So I don't understand why, but my shifter should be coming soon. I guess it was stuck on back order. I don't know what it was. But it should be coming real soon. I got myself a short shifter kit that comes with the knob, and I'm gonna install that myself. It doesn't seem too difficult. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. Once again, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace.